Calling all vegan athletes. If you're ready to revolutionize your training and take your gains to extraordinary heights, this video is an absolute game changer. I've compiled the most powerful tips and closely guarded secrets that will unleash your full muscular potential and set you apart from the rest. From the little-known protein sources that ignite muscle growth, to the strategic meal planning techniques that will have you fueling your workouts like a pro, we're revealing it all. Regardless of whether you're a beginner or a veteran bodybuilder, get ready to take notes as I share the secrets that are the missing link between you and your dream physique. We'll start with the importance of protein. Protein is the building block of muscle growth, and it plays a crucial role in repairing and rebuilding muscle tissue after intense workouts. As a vegan, it's important to ensure you're consuming adequate protein to support your muscle building goals. Contrary to the misconception that plant-based diets lack protein, there are plenty of vegan protein sources that can provide you with the necessary amino acids for muscle development. Quinoa, tofu, or hemp seeds are just a few of the many protein-rich foods available for you. Optimal macronutrient ratios. To maximize muscle growth, it's essential to maintain the right balance of macronutrients in your diet. Aim for a ratio of approximately 40% carbohydrates, 30% protein, and 30% healthy fats. This balance ensures that you have sufficient energy for workouts, enough protein for muscle repair, and the right fats to support overall health and hormone production. Complete protein sources. Include complete protein sources in your meals to ensure you're getting all the essential amino acids your body needs. Some excellent vegan sources of complete protein include quinoa, soy products, such as tofu and tempeh, buckwheat, and hemp seeds. These foods provide a well-rounded amino acid profile to support muscle growth and recovery. Plant-based protein supplements. In addition to whole food sources, incorporating plant-based protein supplements can be beneficial, especially if you have increased protein requirements or find it challenging to meet your protein needs through regular meals alone. Look for high-quality vegan protein powders derived from sources like peas, rice, or hemp. These supplements offer convenience and help you meet your protein goals more easily. Strategic meal planning. Plan your meals strategically to ensure you're consuming adequate protein throughout the day. Distribute your protein intake evenly across meals to optimize muscle protein synthesis. Incorporate protein-rich foods like legumes, lentils, nuts, and seeds into your meals. Experiment with various recipes and cooking methods to keep your meals exciting and enjoyable. Focus on essential amino acids. Essential amino acids are crucial for muscle growth, as they cannot be produced by our bodies and must be obtained through our diet. To ensure you're getting a complete range of essential amino acids, incorporate a variety of plant-based protein sources into your meals. Combining different protein sources, such as beans and rice, or whole grain bread with peanut butter, can help you create complete protein profiles and maximize muscle building potential. Timing and frequency of meals. When it comes to muscle growth, the timing and frequency of your meals play a significant role. Aim to eat every 3-4 hours to provide a consistent supply of nutrients to your muscles. This helps maintain a positive nitrogen balance and supports muscle recovery and growth. Additionally, consuming a protein-rich meal or snack within an hour after your workout can enhance muscle protein synthesis and optimize recovery. Effective resistance training. To build muscle on a vegan diet, it's crucial to engage in effective resistance training. Incorporate compound exercises like squats, deadlifts, bench presses, and rows into your workout routine. These exercises target multiple muscle groups simultaneously and stimulate maximum muscle growth. Ensure progressive overload by gradually increasing the weight, sets, or repetitions to challenge your muscles and promote continuous improvement. Recovery and rest. Allowing your muscles sufficient time to recover and rest is essential for muscle growth. Adequate sleep, typically 7 to 9 hours per night, is crucial for optimal recovery and hormone regulation. Implement rest days into your training schedule to give your muscles time to repair and rebuild. Consider incorporating relaxation techniques, such as meditation or yoga, to reduce stress and support overall recovery. Hydration is key. Hydration plays a significant role in muscle growth and overall athletic performance. Ensure you're drinking enough water throughout the day to maintain proper hydration. During intense workouts, replenish electrolytes lost through sweat by consuming natural, electrolyte-rich beverages like coconut water, or making your own electrolyte drink using sea salt and fresh fruit juice. Hydrated muscles function optimally and are more responsive to growth stimuli. And there you have it. Keep in mind these 10 crucial tips. Embrace the power of plants, fuel your body with nutrient-dense vegan foods, and crush your workouts with determination. And you will achieve your fitness goals in no time. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on future content. Share this video with your fellow vegan athletes and let's inspire a whole new generation of plant-powered muscle. Until next time, stay strong, stay motivated, and keep reaching for those vegan gains. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.